In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Gmail for an AI-powered inbox using Notion Mail, a seamless way to integrate AI technology into your everyday email tasks, enhancing both productivity and ease of use. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into this step-by-step guide on setting it up. First, let's focus on getting into Notion itself. Make sure you're logged into your Notion account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Settings cog. Click on this and a menu will appear. From the options provided, you want to look for Notion AI. This section is crucial because it's where all the magic happens once your Gmail is connected. Now that you're in the Notion AI settings, you'll see a section called AI Connectors. This is where Notion offers different integrations, and for our purposes today, you're going to select Notion Mail. Click on this option. Notion should then prompt you with instructions on how to set everything up. These instructions are straightforward, but let's walk through them together to ensure there are no hiccups. At this point, if you haven't already set up a Notion Mail account, the system will guide you through the process. It's user-friendly, so don't worry. Just follow the instructions provided on your screen. If you are concerned about needing technical skills, rest assured, these steps are designed for ease and simplicity. Once you have your Notion Mail account, it's time to connect it to your personal Gmail. To do this, you'll be asked to log into your Gmail through Notion Mail. This involves granting Notion permission to access your email account. Worried about security? Notion employs robust security measures to protect your data so your emails are in safe hands. After granting access, your Gmail will now be seamlessly integrated into Notion Mail. Once everything's set up, take a moment to explore the new AI-powered functionalities at your fingertips. Notion Mail can now assist you with sorting, archiving, and even crafting response suggestions based on the context of your emails. This can be an incredible time saver, especially on those busy days when emails seem to pour in endlessly. And there you have it. You are now ready to leverage the power of Notion Mail in conjunction with your Gmail account. Whether you're managing personal projects or professional communications, this integration aims to streamline your workflow. Give yourself a pat on the back for leveling up your email experience. I hope this guide was clear and helpful enough for you to set up everything without hassle. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing with your new AI-powered inbox.